was right when it's wrong. I've stayed here too long, but something brings me back to you. I swear we belong. I'm still hanging on, but something brings me back to you. Back to you, 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 you.
Hi, I'm Isabel. I use they, them pronouns. I'm the Racial Justice Coordinator and UJL lead for Camp Brave Trails. Camp Brave Trails is a very special space for me. I grew up here as a camper and now I'm a staff member. I work on everything surrounding anti-racism as well as preparing our future leaders for tomorrow in a queer space. Brave Trails is a queer organization working on leadership and queer-based youth leadership.
It was right when it's wrong. I've stayed here too long, but something brings me back to you. I swear we belong. I'm still hanging on, but something brings me back to you.
Hello, my name's Jyler. My pronouns are they, them. I'm here working at Brave Trails. I'm from Kentucky originally. I actually drove all the way across the country to be here to work with the youth. I typically work in summer camp settings, but I've never been able to work in a summer camp setting that's specifically for LGBT campers. So I'm very excited. I normally specialize in ropes courses, zip lines, and team building. We don't have the infrastructure for all of that here, but we're doing team building, and I'm really excited to take what I normally do and put it through the lens of working with LGBT youth, because I'm very passionate about that, and I'm excited to see like little challenges that come up working with them as opposed to just working with the general population.
Hi, my name is Amy. My pronouns are she, her, or they, them. This is my 6th summer with Camp Brave Trails, and it's a really particularly special and magical place for me. Growing up, there weren't words and language for the ways I identify in the world, and to come to a place where every identity is celebrated and honored, and the process of finding your identity and the fact that that's a lifelong process is all celebrated and honored makes this one of the most unique places on earth, and I'm really lucky to be a part of it.